Hey, you wanna know a cool food hack? I'll teach you one. Listen. Two things that folks love to order from McDonald's would have to be apple pie and hot fudge sundae. And usually it's just one or the other, but why not try both? You can combine both of them and make an apple pie a la mode. Okay, here's how. Order one apple pie and one hot fudge sundae from McDonald's. Get the apple pie and you break it in half. Now, breaking the apple pie in half is very important because it lets it fit into a small cup. Now, put the apple pie into the sundae and mix it. Go and take a spoonful and then enjoy. Now, this is a great hack if you're craving for a quick dessert that's cheap or affordable. For more tricks, tips, and hacks, why don't you check out this video? And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Remember, you can do so much even with just a little imagination. I'll see you guys again soon.